What if an economy could run without humans? Not partially, completely. Resources extracted, products manufactured, systems repaired, all by autonomous machines. Welcome to the closed-loop economy. Today, economies depend on people. People extract resources, people manufacture goods, people maintain infrastructure. But tomorrow, AI may coordinate every step. A loop. Input, production, maintenance, recycling, restart. Without interruption. It begins underground. Autonomous mining systems extract metals, lithium, copper, rare earth materials. No human crews, only sensors, robots, and AI optimization. Then comes production. Smart factories receive raw materials. Machines manufacture components. Robots assemble robots. AI controls timing, quality, and efficiency. Machine builds machine at scale. But systems break unless they repair themselves. Maintenance drones inspect damage. Repair robots replace parts. AI predicts failures before they happen. A self-healing industrial organism. Nothing is wasted. Old machines are disassembled. Materials are recovered. Components are reused. The system feeds itself. A circular economy, driven by intelligence. This could change civilization, cheaper production, abundant resources, continuous output. But also, a new question. If machines sustain the economy, what becomes humanity's role? In the next episode, we ask a deeper question. Can machines sustain themselves forever? Subscribe. We're just getting started.